Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Golspark indoor home security camera. This is a 2K camera and it has app control, it has motion tracking of people, which is very important, cloud storage, all for a very good price. Looks like some sort of mount. And then you've got a USB-C cable for powering it. You've also got some screws so you can go ahead and screw that onto a wall, and you've got a little template here. Here is the camera itself. As you can see, it has a very cute little robot kind of design. It can rotate in either direction. On the back there, you got that USB-C port. And then on the bottom there, you got that place where you can go ahead and twist that mount in so you can secure this on a surface. On the back there, we got the speaker. So this thing has two-way talk. As you can see, you can also move that lens up and down. So this thing really will capture a wide area, and at 2K resolution, you really can't beat it. So there it is on my nightstand. That's crazy. It's tracking me as I move around. So as you can see, there is what the camera looks like. Super responsive. I really like this Vico Home app. This thing is very high quality. You can open up full screen. And for the price, this is really amazing. I just can't really believe it's just this good. Motion tracking. Let's go ahead and try that out. Wow. That's crazy. This thing can really find anything that's going around. You can even turn on an alarm to scare off any intruders. So that button literally allows you to call the person's phone that has control of the camera. So imagine you're like watching somebody's house and you want to call them quickly. You just push that, you talk to the camera. For the price, this thing is just unbelievable. I highly suggest you get this. Thanks for watching.